Here are some study cases for your appraisal. I'll start for this one in Western Africa. This is actually for a power plant in Ghana. There, the customer had actually not so much need of high capacities, only 10 kilos an hour. Is this machine here on the right-hand side. Pretty nice machine. There, the challenge was that the machine has to be installed inside a building, and the building had some very tight access to reach in the area where it should be installed. So here you see the SEACLOR which we built on a workshop. This is a picture of the SEACLOR on the workshop itself. This is it ready, and right after this picture we dismantle the whole thing. It has been completely disassembled, shipped to Africa, and there it has been assembled again in the room that it has to operate. So the Nora personnel were there. They just reassemble the complete thing directly on the room, so the parts easily passed through the access, the small door that was the access, and the system is operating successfully. Here is a case in Asia. Actually, this is the Belawan power plant in Indonesia, where we replaced the old system they had with a SEACLOR. The old system you can see here on the left side of the pictures. So both here on the yellow part, you see 2 times 80 kilos an hour of production. The left-hand side was the old one, and the right-hand side with the SEACLOR with the yellow vessels on the right-hand side. On the picture below, this is another area of the same station, same thing, the old system on the left and the new system on the right. We actually came with a lot of added value for this customer. The old system had to be every now and then dismantled for the acid wash. The cells had to be washed almost manually, so you can imagine that the system was stopping a lot for a long period of time, not producing the required hypochlorite for the disinfection. So it was a big upgrade for this station. We also worked with the customer at the time to try to reutilize whatever equipment on site was still usable. So we did the modification of the rectifiers on the site as well. With all that, the operation of the plant is now much more reliable, and there's almost no hands-on maintenance on the system.